Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Kim Peterson, an attorney by profession, a creative by heart, and on this platform I share insights with young professionals on how to effectively navigate being a young professional. Now, as you would have seen by the title of this video, today I'm going to share with my law degree students who are studying law in South Africa on how to secure articles. So the first tip that I'm going to share with you is probably the most obvious, but I'm going to share it with you nonetheless. Law firms look at good results. So you need to ensure that you have good results. This is irrespective of which year you're in. The sooner you start, the better, because ultimately what good results tell a law firm at the bare minimum is that you're able to study, and when you need to recall what you've studied, what you've learned, you're able to do that, because that's essentially what you do when you're busy completing an exam. And so you need to ensure that you put in the long hours, you put in the hard work to get good grades. Now, if you haven't watched my last video, I'm going to insert it in the description below, and I'm going to try to put it in this video so that you're able to link to it easily. That video speaks about how to cope with your law degree's workload, and in there I share with you 3 tips on how to do so. I speak about 1, scheduling everything, 2, working between your lectures, and 3, being proactive by reading ahead of class, whatever subject matter you're going to cover in a particular class, and then also engaging in your lectures by asking questions to clarify whatever you're uncertain about, or answering questions posed by your lecturer. Now, I speak in that video about how this assists with you managing your workload. It will assist you with being able to obtain good results. So go and check out that video if you're concerned about being able to obtain good results. Now, the next 2 tips that I'm going to cover deal with the lighter side of how to secure articles. Now, as I said before, law firms do look at good results. So it's important to make an effort to obtain good results. But law firms don't only look at good results. They also want candidates who are well-rounded. So this then brings me to my other 2 tips. 1, which deals with networking, and then 2, the other kinds of softer skills that you need to ensure that you gather while still at uni, so that when you are applying to law firms to be an articles clerk, you do actually stand out from the rest. And the rest being your peers who, like you, have good results, but now they want to see something more. Now, when it comes to networking, I can tell you hands down that if you're not going to network from a very early stage in your legal career, and mind you, I believe that your legal career starts already from day 1 of your law degree. If you're not going to start, you're going to be shooting yourself in the foot, because essentially if you're going to network effectively, all that means is that whatever skills and expertise and who you are as a person, and some of us may say your personal brand, that is essentially going to be conveyed to the people you are networking with. And if you don't do that, what it means is you may be a student who has good grades, and you may be a student who ends up having, all the kind of softer skills that a law firm may want in a candidate, but no one is going to know about it. So that is why networking is important. So you need to start networking from day 1 of your law degree, and how you're going to do that is you're going to attend faculty events, you're going to get involved with committees that you find interesting, and by doing so, you're going to ensure that you're coming into contact with your peers in your class, as well as lecturers at your faculty, as well as other people within your faculty, but also beyond your faculty. And you're going to then communicate with them, engage with them, so that they know who you are, they know what you can bring to the table as a law student. And then what's going to come from this is you're going to start organically building relationships with your peers, with your lecturers, with other people similarly placed. So my advice to you would be to start to network sooner rather than later, and really to have fun with it. Networking is about building relationships. Networking is about communicating and engaging with others, and that really is all it is. So have fun with it, start early, and build your network. I've said a lot. If you've enjoyed this video, if you've found it insightful, please do like it, share it, all of that jazz. And if you have anything to add, please do engage with me on socials, LinkedIn, TikTok, etc. And there will be additional parts to this video in which I'll cover softer skills, as well as how to narrow down which law firms you wish to be at, and also things like how to go about securing vacation work, how to ensure that your CV is on point, LinkedIn, how to get active while still being a student, and all of those lovely topics. So until my next video, do check out any of my other videos that you haven't checked out yet, and do engage with me on all major social media platforms.